Hi, today I'm reviewing the Benton Snailbee High Content Essence. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out kbeauty.com or click on the Amazon link below. And I just want to mention, a lot of you were asking about the jars, the airless jars I have, because they were out of stock for a while. I finally got more stock. And I'm selling them with the bag right now. So check out kbeauty.com. And then shortly, once I get the boxes, then I'll put them back on Amazon. But for the meantime, you can pick up the 2 jars and the bag. And the bag is really handy for like cosmetics, nail polishes, anything glass. It's very, protects things a lot. When I travel, I bring a couple bottles of nail polish with. I always put them in this because they will never break in this. So wanted to mention that. Okay. So on to the Benton Snailbee Essence, which a lot of you asked me to review it, and it had something that I've been using off and on for a long time, as long as I've been into kbeauty. And I just, for some reason, it was always there. I always used it, but it was never like, I need to review it, and I can't believe I haven't done it yet. So anyway, Benton calls this a multitasking, sensitive, skin-friendly essence that has been newly reformulated to include a combination of powerful brightening and wrinkle-improving ingredients like niacinamide, adenosine, in addition to the healing snail secretion, filtrate, and collagen-boosting bee venom. So let me get to my first criteria, which is packaging. And they've done a nice job packaging this in a traditional pump bottle. It's plastic, lightweight, travels very easily, and protects all the ingredients from exposure to light and air. And they also put the expiration date on there, which I absolutely love, because sometimes I will forget how old things are or anything like that. So, okay, my second criteria is alcohol, and it does not contain denatured alcohol, which is the drying kind. It also doesn't contain any good fatty alcohols either, so no issues at all with that either way. Fragrance, there is no fragrance with this, so they mentioned it's sensitive skin friendly, and that's pretty true. So no denatured alcohol, no fragrance, which are 2 of the biggest culprits for sensitive skin irritation. So we don't have that as an issue either. The manufacturing location for this is Korea, big kbeauty brand, at least here. They've got a lot of good stuff. So my 5th criteria is ease of use, and you can apply this to skin after cleansing and toning. It is an essence with kind of a gel texture, which I can really appreciate, but it smooths over skin really easily and absorbs pretty quickly as well. And after you use this, then I would recommend using any serums or treatments you like to use, and then after that, any moisturizers or sleeping masks, or if it's a daytime, sunscreen. And let me quick do a pH test for you, because I know you love the pH tests. So let's do that. But very easy to use, layers nicely with other products. Not an issue at all for that. So let's see. I'm going to give that a minute. But I just love that this layers so nicely. There's so many products that I love that have a really nice gel texture that sinks in quickly, but then it pills with other products. This one never has been an issue with that. So the pH for this looks like it's going to be about pretty close to 6, I would say, almost 6 exactly. So no issues at all with that. The skin's pH will be very happy with this. You want to avoid things that are really low or really high, and then certain ingredients have specific pH test range that you want it to be in, like vitamin C, alpha hydroxy acids, and so certain things have certain pH levels. I know some of you guys ask about that from time to time. And then usually you want other products to be closer to like 6 or 5.5, which is like the skin's natural pH balance. Okay, antioxidants. 13.8% of this is snail mucin, which is a really good ingredient for lots of things. It's great for anti-aging. It's great for hydrating skin. It's great for anti-inflammatory. It's great for brightening the skin. Scars, it helps with scars as well. A great ingredient that is often overlooked by a lot of people because they can't get over the snail factor. But once you do, you will love it. I guarantee it. So we've got pretty much 14% of that is snail mucin. Then we've got a good amount of niacinamide, peptide, Centella asiatica is in there. And then we've got the bee venom, which I've seen in a lot of products, especially recently. The Rhode brand has a whole bee venom line. And so after being interested in that, I did some research and I was able to find some good studies on PubMed. So bee venom's major component is called melittin. I'm probably melittin. Yeah, I'm probably mispronouncing that, but I mispronounce my name on a daily basis. So it contains melittin is one of the major components of bee venom, and that has been shown to soothe skin. Also has significant anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial effects. So it can be very good for your skin, especially if you have redness, irritation, if you overdid it. A lot of the studies were around skin that was stricken with dermatitis from other things, other issues, maybe other ingredients. And then they used the bee venom to see if that would help with the dermatitis and help calm the skin down from its redness and flakiness. And the bee venom and the melittin component of it was showing that it really did a good job calming the skin down and helping bring it back to its natural function. Very exciting. So if you are interested or have issues with atopic dermatitis, or just even from other products or overdoing it with exfoliants or retinol, bee venom can really help calm your skin back down. Then we've also got Laminaria digitata, which is a type of algae. It's a good antioxidant. Willow bark extract, elm extract, mallow extract, panthenol, lanolin, betaine, lecithin, and then pulsatilla extract, which is another one that I wasn't super familiar with, but it's another skin-soothing anti-inflammatory ingredient. So all of those really make it sound like if you have issues or even just on a daily basis, this ingredient or this product will help calm your skin down. It's got a lot of good skin calming ingredients, antioxidants, hydrating ingredients, things like that. They've done a very good job in terms of the formula. I just have one little issue, which I will get to at the very end of the routine, at the very end of the review. Okay, my 7th criteria is animal testing, and Benton is cruelty-free, not vegan because we've got the snail and the bee, so it can't be vegan then. In terms of performance, very super soothing, works well with other products, gives your skin an instant plumpness effect, feels hydrating but not sticky. Some with oilier skin types might be able to use just this in their routine and might not have to use a moisturizer because it is moisturizing as well, which is nice. If you have dry skin, you're going to want to apply moisturizer and it'll layer nicely. I love the combination of snail mucin and bee venom. Does have a couple acne-agenic ingredients. The acne-agenic ingredient is butylene glycol, which is in a lot of things. And then a fungal acne trigger is polysorbate 20, but that's it. So that's pretty good, in my opinion. A lot of things will have sentences and sentences of issue ingredients, and this one only has a couple. Price, so the full size is 2 ounces, and it retails for $15, depending on what store you pick it up at. You can get it cheaper at some places, so do a little bit of Googling before you pick it up, because it can really vary. And then in terms of the it factor, well-packaged, affordable, fragrance, alcohol-free, very acne skin trigger-friendly. My one small issue with it is that they did include Szechuan peppercorn. It is towards the end of the ingredient list. It's not a huge amount of an ingredient, but it can be a skin sensitizer. Some people have noted that it can provide some sort of pain relief or soreness relief, but overall it can sensitize skin. So it's important to be aware that that ingredient is in there. And if you do have any issues, it could potentially be that one ingredient. So if they would have taken that one ingredient out, it would have got a 10 out of 10. But that one ingredient's still in there. I'm a little bummed about that. I can overlook it because overall this is a pretty good product. And I gave this a 9 out of 10 on the Sarah score scale, which is pretty darn good. Very close to 10 out of 10, but not quite. So anyway, I'll certainly be reviewing more from the Benton brand. I've got a lot of good stuff from them. And the brand's pretty good for sensitive skin, oily skin, dry skin. Pretty friendly overall. Anyway, I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try this. And if you have, what your thoughts are. Or if you dislike it, like it. Either way, let me know. I'm interested in hearing what you have to say. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more tomorrow. And don't forget, my award show is coming up on Friday the 13th. Should have done a Halloween theme. but it's almost Christmas, so Halloween's over. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much.